bio a fam when you say Branty and a woman so no ma coffee for groups basa na woman you almost yeah near my home and see be to Sabio a year and start I have no one bonding Odachi and I was saying Master for Bravo Frey Befie, Yanu Makasa, so I'm a bomber boamo. We say Yamiadum or Passia as a sort to another dash. Because some cacra bebemono or a group are also so better near and near Master Crebias also the son of Saint. This are buying a deal of Fahokano, now Cacra was so deep here for Dano or the Acco. And she a best dress, Sao for so say I said it. Cry at Timu Yaman, Tam Yan Casanche Mufrana, shop for Imam for penny for more. Omian, two Mufrana for said, you say, Romudra. Now, I understand as when ye be. So, we mean, I say, and our Brano, Obashasi. Yes, our first exam to cry, a Stana exam, anyway. And then I beg you so, now they are quiet. Ya catch them Mufrana say, Sir, I do my when you do home, one of mine. One who is an addition and to me in Fanning Court, actually, and to know one son, you may be one and it who are no also who is saying, I may at the side of my nature. I will for one of my and see with Franacoin. So I will show interest. So when I'm a person, me and that here. Manacoin, and San Juma also so I buy a show my saying, Ebuawam. No one also so what to me and San Juma, and I said, Juma also should be ready. And to your best fellow, Emo Frano, I must say, Yama. I can't tell so be was arguing on Tonchini, a chum. They say, and yeah, at the papa and some will be a well, best say be no young fan as away our Kodao. They say, well, we are school, when you and to me, Edinburgh, and Uchi. The best say, no friendly na or Bombro once. So, obey fear, a bit more abundance, a bit more quiet near maybe, meaning I bet say, one more and two of boys.
Okay, enkwala no de no awofo nso so a ye no mutifie mpem bibra awofo ni bi obeya niammo ho saa na wo hwe ne ma no ontia ne ba no awofo a otena ase hwe akwala ema akwala edin semoni ana akwala brabo sei me ba no de ye nkana asem wo bekan na ne bu afu ntime nka saa awofo no afei nkwala no mo betena fie kakra a we di omo sori omo nko suku omo nko ba bia asembe na wo ka kire saa awofo no ene awofo aka
can say you know what should be so I will for so we are wine you know I should be I will for near here money a man won't so one can at all that say and you know can o can the bufu crowd will be the one say waka since so be giant or farm nearby and also at our mine so at the corona so at the how the brain at the beba yes I will for one sham more friend here or more family one. No frano de here on shut up with the Bama. I'm a fear watching and so any watching a few. It was a bear when you see and you say I didn't have to be and open somebody to be here. And to be I will call you so I know you may be away and can you finish him? So you're creating and well, Kuyanko. I'm a same money be here. No, yes, I didn't have the one also so about begging our comb. I'm a brow and also best from say. Was that to us on now so when the baby crack or the best of thing. You now almost pema and then Kalana Abano so I didn't also. Now should be more on my catch Oma or Muti, Yao for your best of pa, a shop one would be a be a year and Casso and Yao back and that's when to make okay or by me what the can on you or Yao can a minute so I would be.
Mama ugusu a obo ntwa nti yenye wo bre ye de besi ha uwie nso a yamane bofo no di wachire no ya aka nyina wo de beba na yabu mu amamanfo nso a ate okay ye da se bebre nti ye ne ye maame Victoria Edu ono ene ye MCE ewo Brim Central Municipal Assembly ena ye ne no ekọ twetwen enkomo no na unim se wabra Ministry of Roads and Highways the sexation order and I said directives ediba abontin so no Speaker of Parliament and so directe wɔn sɛ road tolls no a wɔn si enya agyegye ɛno nti adwumayɛfoɔ yɛsɛ yɛatotum nti obi antena fie no ɛnyɛ ne kwan soro no because per Ghana constitution no sɛ Ministry of Finance ɛde report ɛyɛ budget statement ɛbɛto wɔn ayi mmara hyɛ badwa fie a ɛwɔ sɛ members of parliament no wɔn debate wie ne parliament gye tum wie a ansa na content a ɛwɔ statement ni mu no ebefiri ase ayɛ adwuma but in this case no ɛyɛ quite different wabra finance minister bɛka sɛ road toll yɛyi afiri hɔ ɔnano siiɛ no na yasan de letter de aba abɔnten a letter ne kyerɛ sɛ dabi obiara ɛmfiri ɛyɛ ɛkwan ne so ɛde nsɛm bebree no ade aba me no ka sɛ ministry ne nso so asan de ɛyɛ memo bi aba abɔnten a mekɔ ahoma ne so akɔdi nkɔmmɔ wei aba meba I will read it to the hearing of the whole world na afei yɛ finding solutions to that yɛnkɔ ahoma ne so ne Dr. Solomon Kwatin Foku oko ɛyɛ Kumasi Technical University a ɔno ɛna wɔyɛ head of department business yɛnkɔ ne ne doctor ɛnkɔ twetwe nkɔmmɔ doc anɔpa yi wote yɛnka a yɛamo akyea mo akɔ ababa henka no fam so wadaroma umpom bɔkɔ deɛ yɛde awurade ase and looking at the team for yɛn budget 2022 na aban na adwene sɛ ne focus ni nyina no will be on youth no a yɛbɛsɔ masene na ɔmankasa biebie ɔmunyuma no I think say it is a step in right direction from your own perspective no
so yes I think ni nyina no waka no budget bi a you prepare budget say ABC how our mind ano it's a budget and means you how our mind ano then the budget papa the more prefer budget since 1993 I will do summary this is a budget I mean who say target the actual problem you know the youth of Ghana and also we have population census somewhere now almost 40 something percent 48 or something percent youth unemployment is very high serious problem or serious issue. So one year conscious effort, and address it, that problem now. And then you look at it again, say, government work alone, 8 minutes to cure money. You can 8 minutes of the problem. The way forward is let the youth take the bold steps. And then almost establishing businesses, almost establishing production units, almost go into a Juma. No go into a Juma there. Almost get employment and more. No more I employ any. But so doing next 4 years or 3 years. At least now unemployment is what no productivity across. Now buying any that's what the two them is to say. Or people using productivity, it is for buying your taxes. Now you be heading towards that place. Then another issue is here. So also, a member of my Juma, or maybe be more Juma. Let's one protect or more Juma as well. GBC is or more Jumano, or you can't know but competition very high. Until now, both says, say, tax be an port of honor, our friend of benchmark tax 50%, you know, or review honor. So they pay a near my producing organ, Hannah and Korani Bayana. Why is in Indian? Another, you see him. Your number for the Koyano. So, yeah, any Bahudiano, from Kaka, because in Koya Port, Kukoha. No one was on Koya Port and Kuku. Why are you going to be will be a coffee for Brazil, every China, every Holland, they go for 4. He can't compete. It's all bomb about some Koya Jumana, and I'll pay on some Koya Jumana. Now it's all protected all businesses in the Kaka. Oko China, ultimate for road product in Ghana and Co. Ultimate for Mukoni way. So this budget is in a good shape. Only say 1 or 2 issues can keep you but it's in a good shape. So we try politics yourself near the budget in the year Ghana will move forward.
I see. But notwithstanding near Okano, Ebimusa raise concern say aban we no aye ne ho a as a ofa de no afiwe no asesa borɔfo no nanso adwuma yɛ ba bɛyɛ no de adwuma korɔ no a afiwe no asesa borɔfo no yɛ hyɛ in 2017 aban yi ba yɛ ɔde youth no kwan ɔbɛfa so ɔbɛ develop wɔn ɔbɛsɔ ɔmo asene no ɔde deɛ friend sɛ U Bank ɛde baayɛ U Bank no ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ adwuma na yɛ ba bɛyɛ no yɛ youth related issues ya ɛno ntin konkɔda afei ɔbatampa Ghana Cares ɛno nso so ne fa bi dwuma na edie no yɛn hyɛ dan hunu dwuma edi wie yɛ poten deɛ ɛna nanse ɔmasa kwakɔfa you start ɛde abam asa aban no de Ghana fo adwene di agro saa na ebi no mu kyerɛ wo
ɔbɔ kasa na bia ɔmo na mo ntia se ana so mo aseba ba mi kyerɛ deɛ ba akɔpɛ one employment management, you don't solve unemployment because nobody can solve unemployment. We manage unemployment. There's no country in the world that say all zero unemployment, but we manage the unemployment. And management of unemployment, it is not an event. It is a process. One thing for solution back over to us, I solve problem from unemployment because we can create employment today. So every year, I say also some no evaluate who say we are the buyer and then you turn it and bring it. So and or that moon account maybe other is politics.
But
changing. There are no more about partnership. Were there major training for the youth? My a lot of research on that role is made by a poverty alleviation fund, which was very good, but they were not even recovery rate was less than 20-something%. They were not able to achieve it, all because one, there wasn't any conscious effort to train. They gave the money to the people, those who have no access to any training, be our business I know they could see it. But this time around, they are learning a lot of lessons. Or say, the Sikana will be ready in March. Put yourself together now, prepare from now, in could room March. So you're talking about almost 4 months. Go to the places, or more established one technical university, we are going to do similar things for it could be our person. Learning secretary is going to be the more videos so I can't tell you better how to generate proper business ideas, how to even do market testing, feasibility studies, and how to implement it. So if I say no discussion in some way, I tell you the majority of them
Doc, wadaroma I say online na aye a bit of a challenge kakra. Inti yenhwe na yensan emfro back. All right. Na ye experience intermittent feed from a year you run on. Tia say ye be saying abili no na ye de na back on the line. Na ya to ayen come hwehwe no eso. Ye ne Dr. Solomon Kwatin Fuku or ye head of department business. Ewo Kumasi Technical. Yera where dia wadaro me muda ho nti wobetimi ato asaman.
Yes, all what I was saying is that who training will be over more physical so from the juma. Let's discard the man who training so from the other conference can you know man is my friends will be able to 730 answer. So the be juma dia. My friends will be able to now the can be juma bi. Sometimes one planet human answer, one said human and you understand it? So this time around, they are giving the youth about 3-4 months. So they should prepare themselves. After that, when they give the money to you, you should be able to. Yes, to you to for say, yes, we make your casa de Bia say, go say, say, but my casa through out to say, but what brought anyone out there. If you are not able to make it, and I'll suffer. So, given this opportunity, the youth shouldn't throw it away. They should try as much as possible to make it work for them.
I see.
That is what we are talking about.
I see.
Like opportunities, they take away this. I buy material radio for number one to reduce no more Kasasa, dear politics, NDC, NPP. Is that what we are looking for? We are looking for individuals in Ghana to put food on their table. It's not about their parochial personal interest. Politics, MPP, Nikasa, NDC, Nikasa. And you're talking about national development. You're not talking about political party development. Don't be in the countries. The audience said, "Open over power and anything about the government needs to collapse so that you come to power." If you are in opposition and give a constructive criticisms, not in the Bebua.
I see. I think you a bit from a youth-related issues. No, usage of e-levy. Ni omodo eba babeye. Na yen compare to yen this wadi uno yepesi ye call cashless. Ye na ye encourage say yen call cashless. Se si ye ye the e-levy at the aba 1.75% ye ba betete. Edi free mobile money transactions bi ane electronic transactions bi ayeye. Ebi mo kire se kobasa, then it will stop people from patronizing a electronic form of transactions. Ye nyina ke ye hwani mu say ye de cashless. E de be ye adwuma wo man mu no. Na ye no na asa e kofa mu.
Na me try wade. Na me try wade bako. Okay, budget ni mu a. Budget le ba ye na. Me refi page number no. We say omo mutia tax eto e Ghana ha. Population of 30.8 million. Omo mutia eto ma ban. Tax e ma ban e 2.3 so you can say 2.4 million. If you have a population of 30.8, no omo mutia tax e 2.4. Then we will be away a ban and also you'll be a getting conquer innovatively. Find better ways than means. They're trying to say, do one more bit to me. Teacher any na ye the tax no. If you look at yourself, o tax you also go try the wajana. Me no me no educate the youth in the organ and when said. And brought to say do one chat to any being kakanka. Let me catch yourself. Or people me dance or dance so. What I did is so much. So much. Bichanica won't your own tax back, we say. But when I check my pay slip every month, I know how much I pay. Even consultancy job and mobile transaction and money transaction, the government should stop. We have to educate. What I'm them say, and yet two side ways there. Wow, send Ubetia, now I will give Ubetia. Wow, being initiated, I'm paying this person this. That's what you're going to pay. It says, oh, you got 10,000 Ghana cedis. Now the tax was so just 100 Ghana cedis or 175 Ghana cedis. What they took care of the alcohol. Now, for both you we have to they pay a lot of tax. According to TV, so radio source and social media, or they approach the glass and qua, you refuse to approach the glass and qua, tax and qua. I don't know how can Ghana put to do tax. What check tax component Ghana has here, region by region. Greater almost 90%. They contribute to the tax. We know almost 90%. Asante region 1.7 or something. Who cook baby and work on a be a 0.4, be a 0.004. And then who can who development on can no begin and scanning in the concrete. Here had the development be without knowing that taxes really are in Tibet. So it's time saying you better door mine. And then you were saying that we better discourage people from doing this. It will never. Bankable population in Ghana, all more money bank deals are also less than 30%. Mobile money need other transactions now, transactions in a buy and contribute almost they have almost 25 million population. So are they going to discourage women who? No more the talk tax, first. Talk tax, no, or not buying the mistakes, no, talk tax or yes, so better Ghana for say, you. There was a now you call anybody, it will be a phone call. There be young tears in any politics from both parties. Almost this year, but no much the Ghana for no more accepted. Almost the NDC VAT. That time, I made a number of Caracas. Now, they put out the people for me. Almost if you come here demonstration, but all power, they enjoy the VAT. And PPD to talk tax to someone whoever. I don't know this because of the parliament, but I don't know the number and they enjoy. You can never motivate yourself, my bra. Unka said 204 kakra emum. It's supposed to be part of it. Come magazine for repair. Charge you 1,500, whatever. One chat out to there. The same person will complaining more about the road. The same person will complain more about security. Complain about hospitals. So if you don't pay, what happens?
Enti na doc all kan with the politicians crowd ya bamu na amobi kran so send message about see mbisa say okay yes you ntu ato yate eto ne de ebetua na so politicians na omo steer their affairs on our behalf no say omo campaign a ensem omo keka ne toye tirim enti omo ma yete ase say oh ho kra hia se eto nko na wo begye de akekere wo man wo betumi ya veer into production wo betumi ya veer into industrialization ye wo alternatives ni bebre but so mo ba mu a afei they see more interest in taxing people instead of some mo campaigning at the back of and no convincing Ghana for my to aba no enti say ne ye apportion blames onyini se ne kwanso ano no
budget by tax open the do so apart from electronic tax no transaction tax no tax do no more dey no more year for benchmark tax on by all tax
oma maintain esla ni en feel some baby bia fa ho but oma maintain amon fa tax there be aside the main one I can once media bibi for Frubian.
Good. So tax no more can no here. And then the bottom line is there. People say the production a basic tax and productivity should go up. How do you prepare production? Also, our tax, you know, all the more youth in the year Juma. So all things because the team managing year not youth to the one year Juma. All the youth know by year Juma. Also 1 million jobs. They will increase the productivity. I don't expect. I will not expect that by next 3-4 years, you know, you better the same story. Next 3-4 years, the productivity should go up. And then they should prepare for growth. Now, 1 year we now do the production quantity, but why have to get the money to produce? You don't know maybe. That's the only year what the productivity possible. Why invest here? A blow now could be another best video model. What's your bonus? I'm going to Nigeria. Why are they going to get a broad the next time? As I said, one thing, Kitiman Koran, a comedy or Moka Krasa, media blow away would be an in the 4 months time, you know, in the Bibrari. That is how we try to get to Roma. You sacrifice law. Europe, they sacrifice a lot.
Yes, Doc, you have a point too, but the question is, Niawukan, Sandiana politicians, no more buy in China.
You know, you see, we need time to bring
okay.
Something called there's a thin line between politics and economics. Some measures go out politically it is unwise, but economically wise. Some measures policy go the bar. Economically it is unwise, but politically it's wise. Why here? Because of politics, you know, you are going to choose the one that is politically wise. I don't think NPP buy, I'm free never be buy. Never be here, free never be here. But politically it helped them. So two decisions, this is taking Ghana. You look at the political gains and you look at the economic gains. Where the political gains outweigh the economic gains, they normally go to that side, which is not the best. Until I'm telling you, we here, I will say neutral, we have to monitor whatever is going on. Near your political lens in the free then you see it as it is, and we say it as it is.
Super. Doc, our point has been made well evident in Nyankopon ya domo yebesa na ba edu besi ase de wo kan no na wakotoa wadwuma so bibia ni yebesa ba no pɛ yeda ase yene Dr. Solomon Kwatin Foku ono na oye head of department business ewo Kumasi Technical University and I yene kwotwetwe enkomo no bringing the time to 12 minutes after 9 live on Ahinkana 3.3 FM. Me pa cho nsu betumi de wadwenkyere no e de aba yeguso a budget no ye dwendwendwendwen ho a wadwenkyere no wobɛtumi de aba asɛmbisa bia nso apɛ sɛ wobisa no yɛbɛbisa de ama wo na ayɛ kamakama paa nti fabra 0594 841 044 0594 841 044 ɛno nti before ayɛ kɔ akɔtwetwe nkɔmmɔ no na meka kyerɛ wo sɛ Ministry of Roads and Highways ɔmo pepere wɔ mo ho ɔmo kɔtu mampɔn mirika ɛde release bi de ba abɔnten a ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ because of finance minister nsɛm a waka de afa toll ho no yɛnyi toll obi bi ɔyɛ adwuma wɔ toll mu no ɔmo nyina obi ankɔnkɔ tena fie ɛkɔfa a whole lot of controversies ɛde ɛbaayɛ ɛnra ɛwɔ parliament no even before ɛnra Wednesday no ɛna minority leader Haruna Idrisu ɛtwe speaker adwen de ba so sɛ daabi ɛnsɛm a Roads and Highways Minister ɛde ato dwa kyerɛ sɛ road toll no yɛnya agyegye animu yia no ɛyade a etia emra ɛne nti speaker nhwɛ no wɔnka bibi mfamfa ho speaker nso tietie mu no na ɛyampa per the dictates of parliament no na kyerɛ sɛ Roads and Highways Minister yewura Amoakoata wafom mmara no ɛne nti ruling na speaker de ma yɛ no sɛ ɔno nso so direct Roads and Highways Minister ne sɛ with immediate effect krataa wɔde aba abɛto abɔnten a ɔhyɛ road tolls sɛ mɛma ne nyɛ adwuma no saa mmara no onyi krataa ne mfiri hɔ na saa mmara no nso so ɔnsan ɛnkansere no na adwumayɛfoɔ nsan nkɔ adwuma so ɛnkɔ gyegye ɛtoɔ no because content a ɛwɔ statement ni mu no whether or not parliament will accept and say they will append their signature to it no ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo tena ase na ɔmo debate extensively and sana whether signatories will be applied or not no ɔmo de aba beto abɔnten and sana nneɛma ɛwɔ mu nyinaa ahyɛ ase ayɛ adwuma ɛne nti sɛ yɛde asɛm abeto na wo di mirika obi free da bi yɛnkyekyere ɔman saa terminator nyabotrɛ yɛnkyekyere ɔman saa ɛne nti terminator nso so te saa asɛm hoi no ɛna wɔde krataa wei ɛde aba beto abɔnten so nti ma menkenkan fama wɔ ɛnra and what by 18th November 2021 is a press release to all media houses and clarification on cessation of road and bridge tolls nationwide. Following the presentation of the 2022 budget statement and economic policy of government by the Honorable Minister of Finance on behalf of His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, President of the Republic of Ghana, on Wednesday, November 17, 2021, the Ministry of Roads and Highways directed the cessation of the collection of road and bridge tolls effective 12 a.m. on Thursday, November 18th, 2021. I will continue this memo at the amount, but before, my main son, na yene Dr. Sam Wolanyo Mensa, or economist. Yene konko to train and komo. Doc, oti yankano pay yamu achasa right. Inti this back and forth are echoes between Ministry of Roads and Parliament with regards to road tolls, you know. Saying a woo, no.
I think it's a straightforward matter. I would say no law in Ghana take retrospective effect, meaning that you can't make a law today and the law is binding on the previous years. So what we mean is that the budget that has been presented is a working document for 2022 if it's been approved by Parliament. And so the budget itself is not meant for 2021. And so there is no way you can even implement aspects of the budget now, unless maybe a certificate of agency or emergency has been filed. And even with that, Parliament needs to go through all the processes to be able to affirm that. And so it's just a budget that an intent is just an intention of what government wants it to do in 2022. Government didn't say that budgets for 2021 are now 2021 supplementary budget. So there is no way that any portion of that budget will be implemented in this year. So any communicate to the effect that the tools should be seized is an error. And so we quickly need to revert it.
This memo I want the ababontin release on the ababontin portions of it I would like to crave your indulgence. Now, me and run you through. Now, fe me you are doing children fan. I say, paragraph 3, or say, unfortunately, the Minister of Finance statement either got misunderstood or misinterpreted by some motorists, as many of them deemed the statement as having immediate effect and therefore decided not to pay the road and bridge tolls. Is it justifiable to and some about Sisiano?
No, I think the budget finance minister is going to present is for 2022. 2022 annual budget, and 2021. So even if some Ghanaians got the information wrong, we still have the responsibility to educate society and communicate the right thing to the system. Not that we also need to do the wrong thing to correct the wrong thing. And so I think we don't, those who are peddling that information will not help us. And anybody who is not a Ghanaian and a foreign observer will not be taken as a serious country. Once people have misunderstood a certain information, it's our responsibility to really communicate the right thing to the system, not to do the wrong thing to back the wrong decisions that have, or the wrong steps that have been taken. So it's just an error. It's just an error, and I think that it needs to be reversed.
I see. Afe mami miss out this question. Yen nyina yenim se oman bia be kɔ n'animu a ɛyɛ taxes ɛna buama oman no ɛkɔ n'anim. But question as say go round a obi ebisa bi ne say okay, taxes no mo be ba ban mu a. I'm talking about politicians no. Yeah, you don't campaign psyching the minds of the people so that they will be in tune. Say everything about taxes, it gears towards to a development. But omo ba ban mu wia na omo the taxes ne ba no ma sha se educate mo pese o man ne kɔ n'animu a muntu ato e kwan a omo de yen economy e de ye politics e wo Ghana ha no e ma yen future economy to saying
I hope most media houses should come and learn from Adinkra FM. And I think the way you are asking your questions is very excellent and brilliant. I've spoken to about 45 media houses ever since the budget is read 3 days ago. By the way you are asking questions brilliantly, I don't think most media houses have it like that. On a more serious note, I think we lack public education and the kind of political information that is always going ahead of economic decisions is rather unfortunate. Always a budget is all about economic decisions. And so if you allow core politicians to be commenting on it, they'll be rolling in political issues into it, and people will not really understand the matters on ground. As you rightly said, it's not every tax that we collect that is going directly into a direct development. For instance, if we need to recruit more soldiers, more police, more prisons, more immigration officers, more fire service officers, at the end of the day, we needed the money to be able to pay these people salaries. And so it's not all this tax money that is going into building or construction of roads, harbors, schools, dormitories, or hospitals. And so we really need to educate Ghanaians. But I think the politician is afraid that if he decided to tell the Ghanaians the truth, they are likely not to vote for them. So everybody have their own informations that they give Ghanaians during campaigns. And when we assume power, then we change the reading. And I think that is what is causing the fear and panic. To the extent that why should somebody be expecting that 2022 budget is going to be read maybe some 6 weeks into the time, and somebody thinks that once a statement has been made, it should take immediate effect. Apparently, somebody needs to educate the public that this budget is for next year. Whatever that you are going to hear is about next year, and yet this year. And so we don't want to pay attention to minute issues that really affect the ordinary citizen. So I think that we really erred in that aspect, and we needed other agencies like National Commission for Civic Education to be doing public education. They must not wait for only political times that they will come and tell us that vote like this, vote like that. We really need social orientation. We need a strong economic engineering. And information is key in this dispensation that we find ourselves. Information is really key. And I think we are not getting the economic information in the system. All the information that is in the system now is political information. That is why somebody will say that, oh, me, I'm NDC, I'm NPP, I'm CDP, so as for this one is coming from NPP. It's not like that. And after all, we have one government at any time. If NPP wins, everybody is an NPP at that time until they are out of power and another government comes. Everybody is part of the government. And so we really need that kind of national orientation. I think you have raised a very important issue, and I'll make sure that the office of the vice president really do something about this particular issue.
Doc, ma yenase ni fancy ha nyame yadom a sene endra mekae no is a running story nti egusu ko yanimu na baby a yesu ye be kire yadwen so no ne aba momo ho momo na ya na you speak from the real fact na madaro ma educate yen devoid of politics na yatumi ahwe kwan be fa so agana be ko nanim
yo miss me that city
yene Dr. Sam Wolanyo Mensa oye economist ene ne kotwetwe enkomo no mame san emfa ebre no ma obi mu 24 minutes after 9 me pa chom yentwi e homra ye ba ye to aso
Hey, Sansa. Mommy for me mattress and come down. Oh, wouldn't how? Ah, na a dear mattress me. Ye. Oh, some pa, now mattress be a canacoto. Oh, where dear brand? Why nay, say ye ash foma. Next is a one to mattress. I had distress pan out on. Yeah, a hound mattress a bemo chair, ya, the Biano de Mika Hospital. Nurse for no crowd who are no one study Janet. And as I to use mattress, Trebia, a bemo so die bonnet, and I just surround to come to our camera risky. A ash foam mattress. Nim pasu no mape ne mahunam duan ho jojo no etene ne wapom ne maoda na ho na manipadua na sisi ne ho so afena meni ewie begiem papa hodo bebre mattresses, pillows, bed linens, duvets and in your mafe fight this is dem ewa ash foam
Freyen was 055 299 7330 and now 0245 011 255 Sheshe ash foam depot ewo odan kede stredro across so ana achiasi na beto ashom product ko siesie wo dem wasaso ana wadwaye bia aduom so carpenter for ne upholsters mo betumi anya carpentry products na ewo ye shops wo behu ashom odan showroom ewo Ntiamoa junction.
Ashfoam, feel it, know it.
Okay, so feel it and know it. Hey, Ashfoam live on Ahenkana 3.3 FM 26 minutes after 9 Ofremi Obuoba Ofuri Amanfo the Commander General Matanasi Ensuru Jabako Amaka. Anopai mami emfa a special good morning. Enkoma Osofo Frank Kwesi Enkansa Osofo Penya King of Grace Chapel Ghana. Oda no ewo asene achim asene. Asore no ho no mo a nti Kwesi adabramie nsom uku adabramie mo mpaye ifi adabramie mo mpaye na fei yɛhwɛ nyame bɛyɛ yin neti asese adumura obehwɛ wo so sanso na mame nchia Good Shepherd Believers Church osofo pani ono so ho no mo yɛ osofo bediako oyodifo kɛseɛ pa but yɛ tai efrɛ no osofo nti no wahwe ya na ne difu dwuma no ɛyɛ afa nkrofo ani so anopa edidadida yie de Burkina no so ayɛ ready de because ene Burkina po on po Medi. Okay, and K Ascenso Limited. Semi kanchira we wutie mi anopai mo ya sorry mo ya dwumaku na mo bie mu na mo hwe kwan ya mo befa so anya nkonwa papa e de agu mo nwuma ni mu anase mo nsori ni mu mo pe nkonwa adane mo dadwene wo ho mo pe quality chairs pa nkonwa papa and adane mo dadwene American for K Ascenso Limited di amount K Ascenso obutu nkran na nso so se utie mi utie me ofo ase ayire bi manso across so babia wo bi akade akwatia denchemo area ho nyina da wanchi babia wutie yen bia osese woto akonwa no a ye be free delivery e de free nkran abrew eninti frɛ K Asenso na enene mo nkomo nti sɛ swinging wheel office chairs akonwa wutima betimi adandan ho te sɛ mo amohwɛ me wɔ YouTube na Facebook no akonwa na metimu no me dandan me ho saa eye K Asenso Limited adaroma ena ode abre yen circular adabraka of Iran Clinic Kaneshi Flamingo Road eye Zango Junction hwa obehunu K Asenso Limited frɛ ewo 0302 257209 0302 919 739 K Asenso Limited or say home of quality office chairs and book shares. Anopai mamenchia assistant headmaster owo Achiaman Senior High School Mr. Afari. Anopai memawo good morning. Me gidi say ohon ye papa assistant headmaster or Achiaman Senior High School. Memawo a very good morning. Sanso so ena ene aye ne hyase ene wo ho. Ona na aye ne hyase ene. Okay. Kobe K eka ye team no ho match team no Kobe K eye assistant producer. Nyame eye adomo a ene ne nana Madam Comfort Mirikua Mame Comfort Mirikua ato anana no wonse adu nti ene ena omde Mame Comfort Mirikua otiase no na yeta friend sen Antikone ehimfa na no otie Accra Dansoman oh okay enkran Dansoman ena na Madam Comfort Mirikua ye friend Antikone na owo omobeyi no ni na mu no e de atompem e wo kwawu abiti fia ye de maame adankasa ne betompem adeche echena 20th November anje say echena mu no me de betompem won 20th November mo de ne betompem na afei abusua ne asori o mo eka ho nyina koya asori ama ne kama ye wie ne say fu be den kwa mene mo ye den wo bekọ wenye wondu kwa na abekọ na ya kwa kopene kra bra ye wi ani asa betena ase ne ye de ayi no ne aka de atetare so a enya senketo akra nti kobike yakopon chechero no abusunya nyina ewere nti ene memene da kwasia da adaje ani poso ewo kwawu abitifi na nyame ya adom 28 eye kwasia da ebe na awotwe ye maame ne nkrana na wote enkrana ne wote nti no ye bekọ eye na asesom ewo is it Damascus Christian Church ewo Weja ene de na asesom de bekọ ho abusia se afade ne ye black and white nti ya momra me support obi nyina na kobike ne nana wedi kan maami hu ofe wate wewu 69 years na ho fefe sa no ene ne baba ho be fe pa okay nti kobike mu de no Antikone enya ne ba bi ko ena abusia e de na ye ne hye so den weekend yi de kobike ko fro be po no ko be po upo be fro na kwa ube pa omo kwa kofuru akwa ya yie ni nyina no Frimpong Enterprise na de eniema ni nyina ma wo mo nti emo omo konoa duane ahoro omo koye nyina no Frimpong Enterprise adaroma wa mom ni nyina bi obapa mackerel na pa mackerel lily obesima sister edoson afei omo ebeba ho no ye nu aduane ni yenya no anwie ya ye de ye be wi biscuit Frimpong ama omo bi so bolo indomie oat no me niema ahoro bebre odi ama wo mo sanso na osan ekiro mo se ya omonye hamper enka ho eniti Antikone abusua ye hamper de ache wo mo ebeba be sra wo mo omo ebeba be gya wo mo ewo kwawu abitifi no Frimpong Enterprise aye hamper de ama wo mo nyina kama pa Frimpong Enterprise se men kan kira wo se owo adwumafo a omo woni pa ho abotre eniti wo ba ho no mo benya abotre no mo dandan wo akrokro kama na wo hu sampa ye jeje wo so owo ground floor Madari 44897525 0206 473953 and 0242 111236 Frimpong Enterprise no ajo so say Juma Wura Almost here can you know from Ash foam so say a year no a became more corny yame adom ene ewo kwawu ebiti no. Ash foam so no the mattress na ma wo mo. Mattress ni ye dig ye ne wa wo da so ni nyina ash foam ewo bi. Ene nti okọ kede Swedru across so achiase achim odan eye Ntiamwa Hotel Junction no Ntiamwa Hotel Junction no omo na omo ama kobike mu bi omo de ko omo ayie no ene nti ya na onso so wakọje de kama pa ye di Christmas ene nti omo di promo ni bebre di aba omo se tade ne ye nchewade tade ne ye nchewade omo na omo aye sa de nyina friend was 0552 997330 0552 997330 0245 01 1255 0245 01 1255. Na Nyankopon ya adom a on the 25th next month anya bosumi wei bosumi ye kwakọ wura mu buronya bosumi no 25th nso so ye buronya da na 25th na ye buronya da no ahenka na FM enso so ebenya afe a ye baaye enyema ahoro bebiri no ane aye yesi aburonkuma egu nhyerene na etikum akwaduo na beso abribra sesi ya mpo afe ne yesua nante aye se bra beso yensa na ye nante mpo no enyema ye baaye ya no eye manimusem eye masumunsem enya afe ne ye ba beji akonwa akwa aba age so die ni awo munimu dada eni ntinya de ye ba bebo nkuro bi abiem na ye nante mpo na ye ni ene ye hwe manimusem ba be kan ho mo fo odom bebo odom se ampam pa sa hinka na FM ba ye enyema waye asom ani dia a buronya bosom ni mu no yese mo mra mekan ho ne ye nyina ye nante emum ye nante afia boabo akodan akochinchin odan ko ni mu nyina ama nipa hunu sampa ahenkan ye ba ye no ye de niema papa ena ede aba afei obi bia obeba se na medika ka che no ubenya t-shirt omfra radio so me amfa t-shirt ne ma se bia hello ma wi ni we da bi obi anya sa promo ni wa ha wa wo be bankwa de wo benya bi but say di wo fra radio so ne di t-shirt ama de bi nsi wa ha da bi eni nti sada no ba bia wo bia momfa ka na momra mekan ho ne yenye ne kama eno ne ya anopa no nsia se ken na ye nyina twa hyiam e wa henka na FM yadwuma mu andimu ha na ya cheche obi atare ye de ama no ne ye de brass band eni machines no agu ka no so eni ye pana pam sada no ye beji ani kama anopa no ye nante wia ne yakoje ya home no ndubremu no ne yakoje ya home ye koje ya home wia anwumere ne asan ba anwumere ye ba eno no de ha no na yato nsafra artist bibira ye mo obi adin kire wo no nti wo beba no surprise boom makasa ei na bronya no ye bema na ye oda ka kire wo ma no matu kwan no se bronya yi wo momra omo ye se bronya no enye de enye no kore bronya ne be ye dankasa se yehowa tiasie yi na hinka na FM so wa hai bronya ne be ye de enti to nsafra wo ma no mo nso mmere bi bronya 25 no ebe ye se oja ye nimu ha ye mountain eye stage no na ye the street carnival se bi nsi aboabo da ko bi ke oba ha wati bi da si aye street carnival e bi nsi da ye the street carnival chenchirenche ye de hyehye so anwomtofo ewo empotam ha nyina da ye to nsafre obi a omba be hu nyom be bo nyom ama obra no akoda ye mpon nti wo sana obra no akoda e tie eja tie bi ma me na tie bi ma me ni ba bia e kire din obra e kire din no akoda enti eno no ginam saa no nsia ba eno no ginam saa Jumadi nyina be koso nyame adoma 25th of December next month bronya bosome no ne de to so aduanu enum oya briwau oya kwakorau oya hwaneo program we no ye nyina ye dia nante ne kura titiriu ye nyina da oya briwau oya hwaneo mumra obia nso bo obenya t-shirt ni bi unya banko ade obenya t-shirt but so tifie na wo ton kra se ye mfa t-shirt mra wo de ne minua ba ma emfa why unya banko a se maba me ne mo nante a o t-shirt ye de be ma ho tia akire din o be company o person o be sponsor yen ya e 0244 878763 0244 878763 na mo anso mudi adanse se ahenkan ye bibi na mo de mo ntoma bɛbɔ mo dia no a ɛyɛ a nkonimdie nko a ne yɛ mo dia sanse ye bomu wa ha no mo a ɛbɛfa ahenkan 93.3 FM ɛnyɛ hɔ nko a wokɔ internet no so a obi wɔ Paga, obi wɔ Hiamenkyene, obi wɔ Gadugu, obi wɔ Beni, obi wɔ Ɛhenfa aburokyire baabi a program ya yeye say ɔmo tie ne live enti ye bɔ wo niam ho dawuru ama wo anya Ghana ha nko a wo aburokyire bɔ no obi wɔ hɔ ɔse me te sɛ mo ka roofing sheet bi asɛ me be si dan yo estimations ne te sɛn na ye hook you up woni na bɔ nkɔmɔ woni waju sika gu botom no akyire din enti me pa cho fa ntoma bɔ ye dia no ne enye ne kama mfa ma wo ebefa www.incanfmonline.com my TuneIn Modern Ghana Zeno app Ghana Waves and afei baby YouTube and Facebook and so yeah nam honomo enti odi an na ode asem 39 minutes after 9 live on Ahinkan 92.3 FM Kobi case manum fa bo nwoma yen na afei yemra me fa frefo enso so emfa ento adwumadi ne so ne yensore so kra ene fiada nti eye freaky funky Friday around why crowd yenko
Lego
Ghana adisiye Oboba opere amanfo emamo ate edeba Ahinkan 93.3 FM
Azonto ene akayida somusomu na mesa wa minjaida kama sawo yimpo no ba ma de ba Ghana ahwe TV a enkaida onsa na tofa ko left tofa ko right then ko no Burkina afeide onsa na fa ko form chire time na wa hwe Aisha na Georgina slow ba shio me very shio ba slow volleyball meeting baby at Rozo meleko adego green like glow me page mama ya wole ma me Burkina
enti brother Sam First Sam First brother me DJ no obu be o yanko ni Burkina na ope umpo me ko ni Burkina
Kone Burkina ya kade Burkina mujale mame nsa Burkina
Kone Burkina
mujale mame nsa Burkina Lego show some rap easy asonto no Burkina mempede obi bakade jai ishemi de kan sampua show some rap easy asonto no Burkina mempede obi bakade jai
Ghana adisiye Oboba opere amanfo emamo ate edeba Ahinkan 93.3 FM
asonto na akayide rap de minjaida asa iti sun taila me flow na sa one kaida sami kabu beat put on your dancing shoes and I'm a kakra dem boo Amanda pineko kakra one side the pesa pussy buta fe kako for my minty or low key I will be the brightest MC. Put on your dancing moves, see the cash though, call me the YMCMB. One bomb beats by Dre, one beats by Dre, one bomb beats by Dre. Maybe I'm poor, one shot me beats by Dre. To my minty the Burkina, the Burkina, Madam Burkina, Mujale Mabinsa Burkina, Yellow on the Burkina, yeah, the Burkina, Mujale Mabinsa Burkina,
on the Burkina.
Ghana adisiye Oboba opere amanfo emamo ate edeba Ahinkan 93.3 FM
Sika will be a see appeal. Picture, you will be the profile pic. Mama say, well, my roman chick. Papa, me need the way to start on the 3D tempo to me say fish. If you need the oil down bread. I am part of the butter and bread. That's why I read. One flow in the map, we used to my little trade. Trozo Palimeda.
Okay. I don't see my emra one so hard.
Ghana, fanciful in a bread. Rap is a mother orphan.
Now they come home. Fuck honey, I'm sorry. Any if you're that.
I'm so flat.
Yam pig be a wate.
Burkina.
We so I may call some force hole. Makoji Burkina.
Ghana adisiye Oboba opere amanfo emamo ate edeba Ahinkan 93.3 FM
Yeah. And you are waiting some person you better course no.
What they make us send me my money, I need it right away. What they make us send me my money, I need it right away. Girls a friend, boys a friend.
Divya ye ko party.
Girls say friend, now boys say friend.
Baby, I hear call party. Any ever same. Any ever same. Any ever same. Any ever same. Me patron sube to me about 0201944485. 0201944485 and at 0554-820-910.
Fellow citizens,
okay.
I ask you to be citizens. Citizens, not spectators.
Okay.
Citizens, not subjects. Responsible citizens, building your communities and our nation. Let us work until the work is done.
Enti ekwemu ada ho ubetimi aba 0201 944 485 0554 820 910. Charlie Yansem. Debbie Yansem. Yansem. Without you, baby, I can say free. Sorry. Wait to me, Asamba.
Hey, man, never seen no pressure crash. Shut up. Yeah. Me say one time you done my brother.
Okay. Udin, baby, I can say free. Without you, only way chiripa o. Achim kusi. Without you, Udin. Bosheba Asari, ain't you?
What's in Tazo? Now, Miss Anzo, also be out for so be a chatasina. I didn't know often a little ram of my mobile money. Oh, blaming your visu on his cow bank on your abanduma. Yanny task, maybe it's a minute, a man on your Jimmy task, you know. Well, if you abandon on
okay. Yeah, that's it. I might not see him. Also, but I see him 0201944485. But you didn't be able to say free. Udin, anybody can say free. What that Roma?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Me patrol yet you. Hey, I said, Wabesi, and if you're that, and it is allowed. Okay, me patrol didn't be say free. Kafra. Charlie, yenya course in the crap, who's a monium. And Yankum, Yankangum. More friend, Miss Ramon. Ya jab course in the picket.
Ghana Adisiye, a boba of a amount for Emma Atin at the bar and 93.3 FM.
Guess in so far, and through. If you didn't, maybe I can say free. Nashing care 2 Punum. Ain't you?
Boba, Minion of If you are Ghana, no, young come of credit. Diana, when I you see us and you cry, yes. No questions, you've been, you know, by now, said Yamajin. Oh, Boba, since you are Papa Ben or Ghana, on buying the crowd, you're penny as you go over the also cover Yama and Yama say. Now, yeah, but Jabba Jack, I was in here, and I didn't say. And she can cry the best Sunday, you know, me and Manu school, then money, Nina, most of the people. Oh, almost to tell them, and not to go opposition or could be any piece of opposition. And then you gave a part to person. What's your fish of Boba memory? I buy when they increase in Yama at 45%. I didn't know if it's got the 85. Oh, Boba, almost to tell you, my mind. The bank, you know,
Yati. Okay, yeah, that's it. Went to me and you so yen sim. We did maybe I can say free. Yeah, original until yeah, that's it.
That's normal. If I told drivers program we are blessing will be a roadway. The better council and some poor quite use. In the ever high cranty, a strong as a woman in from mine.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Any ever same. Young go same last one. If I told you never can say free. Yeah, we should have also so.
And I couldn't this year about AKH. I told you I don't talk about because minimum stations here, host no can say, Boko Talanzina, a better send program so over the producer up. But Menunya confrontation says that any time a message producer. And I'm going to say, oh, yeah.
But that's it. Now, main kai confrontation is a confrontation. I consider that main kai you.
Oh, I mean, now, about
ah, sir. And you same when you're free. But I was doing when I say free. When I chat for.
You're from Mr. Tamaklo.
But also from Mr. Tamaklo.
Mr. Tamaklo.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay, so if you are checking here, fan. Achiase, you boss.
If I show Mimi how I walk near Mukai, who is there, and a friend, the finance minister, I need the crown or could be different petrol. Because Ghana will be ending, say, 2 petrol more. The PIA, the CBIA, the 2 petrol money identical co-parliament now. Oko yes, what is our 2 boot, no, all the chef free, no, the petrol, and then we can be PIA, the petrol now, one is in there. Okay.
Yati, yeah, that's it. If I show we don't want to chat for cry, we didn't make us free. Boss, Mpacho into you.
Boba Ghana, on my daddy, I am a papa because a champagne food to me, your movie, Mata, young fan, one day, and wine. The piano HS on my way, and you may be at the Queen Yammer, the piano HS. Because they said the right thing is there, but they are not going to do it. But they are winning, I don't know. You see, I'm not going to say some of our money we are by as a Yauko and Iska with Yati. Not to boost your grief, I don't know, and then, oh, this is a petrol and twin to petrol. I don't know, I saw what to do. I get a movie in a month, and can't get a crown of moving out. Okay, yes, what is the petrol? I have to petrol.
I see.
Because what the petrol is affecting the beer and your web radio, your work room, your way you, the beer, come when you says it's young or one talk about. God, I don't think that will be answered. You can send a sending mobile not as a grana is sending on blah, yeah, break. And Rami got credit. Make up 5 now, first day, a button. Which is 14 minutes, 114 minutes. And I may have about 60 minutes.
147 rather.
47 minutes. 10 minutes.
Yeah, that's it. Young can yabi, young can yabi, and to me can in any. yen say mu a yet me for frefo bi me patch of facha me the aka no Kobe K obe say mu afi ya time so ani akrako over to you Kobe K Ghana fuit you ubegu hu ani mu ase se wa abrante bi obetena say papa the day are you wo yare the day are you ya papa
please don't call my side so one for me see can
Ghana adisiye oboba ofore amamfo emamo ate ediba ahinkai 93.3 FM.
I don't do no talking yet, I just wanna let it breathe, yeah. When they see God don't come my way, yeah. Bounce my see what you, baby, I'm a Jimmy, my Jimmy D, what is true. Bounce my see what you, my Jimmy D, any ever sing, any ever sing, yeah, any ever sing, any ever sing, yeah, any ever sing.
Ghana adisiye oboba ofore amamfo emamo ate ediba ahinkai radio papa apozeke thank you
c'est medidia qui se me comprend inti ya wa bonte ye pesikai na sienye pia mobete enka sikabesu ye sikabesu mama sikabesu ye sikabesu mama sikabesu ye sikabesu mama sikabesu ye sikabesu mama good morning ukwada no pa me krada ne de me wolak
Ghana adisiye oboba ofore amamfo emamo ate ediba ahinkai 93.3 FM.
manye wada obi amesa me wako papa minya bia sikeni kwakuni obi abehumi otreme kosa me ba na me krabia when my customer dey drew fine be na my ye obi abenya do for the goodie atam for baby for the money obi arabe feel for the goodie atam for baby for the money hard enti ya wa bonte
radio papa apozeke
sikabesu sikabesu mama sikabesu sikabesu mama sikabesu
radio papa apozeke thank you
na ya brandi sika kankaino sika kankaino ya brandi sika kankaino na ya brandi sika kankaino sika kankaino ya brandi sika kankaino.
After squad you may be we doing apply for you match to young kume damn it if you to be am from booming to papa down was yane kume fear for when the pressure on the mail crown my crown for the young machine no come the beard and pie bought near you my to me buy no be come wow young boy living in a mansion there and yeah our friend say yami stress some more way diamond candy beer young girl driving a Benz there and yeah our friend say yami stress some more girl diamond candy beer
na ya brandi sika kankaino sika kankaino ya brandi sika kankaino na ya brandi sika kankaino sika kankaino ya brandi sika kankaino.
hey young boy say me piada me here empire ball
and
yes ka draw chrono the empire ball
okay, so what from Rollings SKA Japan also showing live from Kumasi Tech. Thanks for coming through with that comment. Entry Francis also watching you live from Achim Swedru. Entry at I frame Abrantie. God bless you. Mishra small boy bia. Nyami beshirao. Ubeshirao. Ababa. Edrisso said, John said, good morning, guys. And Yamoya no eyepa. Mama, you fear the ya there. Ado Isaac. Osia and kind, you are the best indeed. Obo Benjamin Shrao. Nana Rachel said, good morning, sir. Oh, boy, Juma. Say ye bisa, say nyamisha small boy dia. Ye nyatetia ye pi.
This record was taken from the archives of the legendary Asewa Memphis.
Cool Benson. What you work budget? Cool Benson if you do. Okay. So a very big thank you going out to every one of you. Someone supporting him from Monday and a Friday. yɛdamasi nyame nhyira mo nyankopɔn ka mo nyinaa ho deɛ mahwere wɔ yɛn ho bia mo a mo frɛ yɛ mo a mo test yɛ free Jordan ne bɛpem ɛnɛ yɛsrɛ nyankopɔn so wɔnhyɛ mo nyinaa nan mu so ate aseɛ ɛyɛ no ate aseɛ nso sɛ yɛyɛ nipa ɛne nti sɛne ɛtie bia mfom so wɔyɛ ho ɛfiri Jordan ne bɛpem ɛnɛ fie yi yɛn dwumadie mu yɛfom yɛwɔ baabi a na ade akyɛ yɛn wɔ yɛn number frɛ yɛn na twe adwen si so yɛba bie mu a yɛama repeat baabi ɛyɛ ade no nso no wafrɛ yɛn no wabɔ yɛaba so na hyɛ yɛ den ne akɔ so ayɛ ne yie yɛde aseda bɛkɔ ama odi a nkan Kwame Yeboah being the executive producer for the show. Adwempa Yini Kofi Mensah, your lead producer, ably assisted. Eye Kobe K, Kwame Asante, and in charge of socials. Oframi Obuoba Ofuri Amanfo, the Commander General. And Surujaba Kwamaka. Nyakupo Yadomo Amande, Yavasanesia. It will be in a grand style. So what you say? Sean Suye in Yekodi weekend. Sean Suye in Yesubamua. Put him in the chair. But them can't do what them just they give a man. I said, don't come if you happen in phone. I'm going to treat you. I've been to see baby and Koye no son tentem. The Koye so no. No much some of you know. Yeah, that's say. I don't tell you, I'm not say. I'm in sorry so much media for fraka and so met for some fam mammo. Sean Suye in Yesubamua. Put him in the chair. Kind so na shene so ma me say okoso atene urade ni nwunu na se a abrabonu ye den se den yara eyire so kire so se den yara ongu ani mu aseda urade nkan ho mayenwa what's your name unisika that be hard them talk ya know set your boy radio papa thank you man them gang this how we go fine time go be so nice right we go be so nice you be tear the aqua bonti aqua chin this Radio Papa Abozege. Thank you. Ebusia anapendo ndu abon sama hudrene yebebo bo ewo yekase ebomo ena me de brewo niti headlines no ena me be kan ede ama bidi ade afia ampofo na tie eni disi fo no gusu agina ba bi omugina wo se taxes a ewo 2022 budget ni wono eyade ede ohaw na ebre Ghana for na Isaac Adongo ede atudwa wo chese Ghana for tax yesi yentua no eni pipi amanyokuo no wonom nioma hodro ma yesika se ya o mansa no mpese yetua sika tax shanan eni eka ho no yebebo amawatie communications minister Maami Esla Ekufu edi atudwa wo chese Ghana ha se dako na se wasori na pe wutimi se ni 100 cedis ema obia na chese wo skani unye hiani enti no eni ahodro ka ho yede beba Ghana fo bi nso achira wo madwen afansa mama amene kan ye ho ene ejabo nya bedru enanu ada ye shebi si twro na se afei dia daye koso ya ni pitri ene na BEC nsosho no so ya de ko awieye nti yamane bofo edi amane bo ebeba besom ye sanso ena akopiemu ewo Achiase district ni mo MP ene ya BEC ni ntino ene anapaduane o se wo chani free ama BEC nkwada ni bi ede na ase akyerechefo de bi so de na ase ama eye MP oya wo Achiase ene no yebebo ama watie na okopiem ewa asaman kesenso a ahensam etwom nan ahensam etwom kon ahensam tuwom hwene ene ensam ahodro aboboba ho no enya asem kuma eho ene no ekeka ho so no yede beba na wonmo ya musuansan no dwuma ene omo so ekache nananom se empem bebre ya ka unemployment a enya adwuma anya so kwabrane kosua adwuma wia asase ketwa mpo a obeya adwuma wo so ya na edenti omo de adesede ato nananom enim sanso eno hini bidi afutu akwama mema se womo ya womo hwema no anhwema no edoso dodo se bema se wonye moba na se wanje nyinse na nyankopon abufuhye beba so oyo hin o watufo nti ene he wodre keka ho no
yɛbɛbɔ ama watie bi ɛwɔ yɛ kaseɛbɔ no emu saa so na akɔpie mu otuboto mu a bridge bi abu ne mu ase bridge bi esumowu afidie ɛho nsɛm ɛbɛbɔ abaye oyɛ kaseɛbɔ no emu ntia na wanya aso anya waso na watie bi ene ewiem bobrensam so yɛde bɛba beto anim adagya ha ɛna nsɛm a ne ebetwago yɛ kaseɛbɔ ahodro mu anumre die ene awia die ne ti no mede ebesie midin afi